I saw in Stack Overflow and also in the TCL wiki page, a TCL script that allows you to add red corner to a button that has already an image. I added a small modification to the scripts, really nothing, and I integrated it into a Python script to how it works. So I have this main window, regular TK window. Then I created a photo image using TK. So we have the first button and the second button. They all have simple command, just the type of the button. Here, button red clicked. Here, button green clicked. So here are the icons that are actually PNGs. And also here the icon, another icon, the image of that button added from Python. So the corners are created from the script, but the icon is created in Python. Actually, the corners are styles defined in the TCL script. So here is our button. So here I created this photo image and I assigned it to the button. Now, if I want only the button, all I have to do is to remove this line. The name of the style for the red button is red.corner.tButton. And for the green one, it's green.corner.tButton. You can see here is the button without the style. So we are adding the corner with using the styles. The styles are defined not in Python, but in a TCL script. So first, this image is created from simple files, PNG files, from the red corner file and the green corner file. So this is the red corner file and the green corner file. For the script also create this style elements, the image created previously. Here these statements are used to print, which we see here, or the original layout used by the default theme used in the code. In my case, it's the same as in the script. Even the printed one is the same as the one shown in the script. The problem it didn't work, so I added the only thing I added for it to work, I just added the T. The scripts that worked for me for Windows 11 and for the default theme was the theme for Vista. In the script, you can see two layouts, the first layout and the second Vista layout. The Vista layout worked for me. I had to add this letter, T letter, to button, to the name of the style in order for it to work. Then here, the creation of a button, we do not need that code because we do not use that button. So again, to be able to use the style, I had to make a call with source parameter and second parameter, the name of the TCL file. The red corner and the green corner are defined here in the layout of the two buttons. They have the same layout, the same parameters. The only difference is the style used. Here it is the red corner T button indicator created with the image of the red corner. The same thing here, another indicator created with the other image corner. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.